Hi guys, today I will tell you in this video how to sign up Gmail account. Gmail sign up. First we will go to google.com, then search in Gmail sign up or create sign up account. Let's click on create Google account. You should put your name WP Ustaad and WP Ustaad at Gmail. The name is taken, okay, don't worry. I will take another name. WP Start TK. Is that okay? Yeah, is that okay? Available. Okay. I will set the password and confirm password. The same password I have entered first field. Then I click on next. It will ask me to put your number for safety. I will enter my number. Okay. It shows the country you are living in. It will automatically detect the region. Okay, I'm setting my another recovery email. Here it is, and set my date of birth and the year, gender. Okay, I will forward to next step, then save it and click on. If you want to read it, no issue. You simply I agree and forward to next step, and your account is created. Wow, great! It's pretty fast process, and you have seen this account has created, and you have to use, especially you can use Gmail of the account. Now you have one email wpstartpk@gmail.com. It's the simply process I have shown you in the video. If you have any query, so let me know. I already show some Google tools that is in this grid, like Google Drive. You can see that Google Drive here. Okay, you can save the files of your PC or mobile. You can save it at least 15 GB data. If you want to buy it, you have to buy more space. I think you will like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video and click on bell icon for getting new videos. Okay, see you. Bye bye.